Hello everyone. In most industrial plants, process problems do not start with big upsets. They start as small deviations. These deviations grow quietly until production, recovery, or equipment reliability is already affected. In this video, I want to show you a proof of concept and a proof of value for an early deviation detection system designed for mining circuits using AI agent and Power Automate. My name is Juan Carlos. I work in automation and process control, mainly in grinding, flotation, and thickening circuits. Over the years, I've worked with historians, alarms, standard operating procedures, SOP, and root cause analysis. And I've seen the same gap again and again. We have data, we have procedures, we have experience, but they are not connected at the moment decisions are needed. When an alarm occurs, the response is usually reactive. Operators focus on stabilizing the process. Engineers analyze historian data after the event. Root cause analysis is performed later, when the impact is already visible. SOPs exist, but they are static documents. They are not triggered by data, they are not contextual, and they are rarely used early enough to support decisions. So the real question is not only, are we using the data early enough? The real question is, are we using the data early enough to support decisions and to activate the right RCA thinking and the right SOP guidance at the moment it matters? This is where the proof of concept starts. The objective is simple. Detect deviations early and treat them as events. A scheduled process continuously reviews operational data. Key process variables are compared against predefined thresholds and limits. When a deviation is detected, it is not ignored. It becomes a structured deviation event. This event includes the variable, the timestamp, the deviation level, and the operational context. At this point, the system does not try to solve the problem. It simply recognizes that something meaningful has started to change. Once a deviation is detected, the system goes one step further. Instead of leaving the response to memory or experience, it connects the deviation with the relevant operating procedure. SOPs are no longer static documents stored in folders. They are activated by data. Only the relevant sections are used. Likely causes, recommended checks, operational context. This helps operators and engineers focus immediately on what matters most. Root cause analysis does not start after the event. It starts as soon as the deviation appears. On top of this structure, an AI assistant is used. The AI does not control the process, it does not replace operators or engineers, and it does not invent causes. The AI only uses the deviation data and the relevant SOP content provided by the system. Its role is to explain the situation clearly. What is deviating? Why it matters? What should be checked first? This turns data and procedures into clear, decision-ready information. The result is delivered directly to the operational team. The deviation, the context, and the explanation are shared through existing operational tools, such as Microsoft Teams or other communication channels. Instead of raw alarms or trend analysis, the team receives a structured, easy-to-understand message. This reduces reaction time, it improves consistency across shifts, and it allows operators and engineers to focus on the right checks at the right time. Early deviation detection is not about replacing people or automation systems. It is about improving how we use data and knowledge. This approach brings root cause analysis forward in time instead of applying it only after the impact is visible. It activates SOPs when deviations start, not when alarms have already occurred. Over time, this creates more consistent decisions, better knowledge sharing, and stronger operational discipline. This foundation can be extended across grinding, flotation, leaching, and other unit operations, supporting advanced control and future digital initiatives. This proof of concept and proof of value show that it is possible to detect deviations earlier and connect data with operational knowledge in a practical way. It is still an early stage, but the value is already clear. Early awareness, better decisions, more consistent operations. If you are interested in exploring this approach, piloting it, or adapting it to your operation, I would be happy to connect and exchange ideas. If you'd like more insights about process control automation, and digital transformation in mining, follow me here or check out my upcoming project. Thank you for watching.